Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I got these foam things from the dollar store, and in a recent video, I poured on the inside of this to kind of create a tree ring, and then it seeped out the bottom of it. This time I'm going to actually pour over it to create a unique pattern. So I have my lowly Veffe bowl, silicone bowl, coolest thing since sliced bread. Like seriously. I'll put the link in the description. Check them out. It will save you so much money on plastic cups. Plus, you're obviously doing the earth a favor in not using all that plastic. All right. I'm using Artist Loft Flow acrylics plus some Arteza metallic paints. And everything is mixed with floetrol and water. All materials will be in the description, including my mixing ratios. So please, please, please do me a favor and check out the description to see if it answers any questions that you have before asking them. Because sometimes it gets a little bit overwhelming answering the same questions over and over, especially when they're already in the description. All right. And this is a 10 by 10 canvas. So for that, I used about 7 ounces of paint, I would say, 6 to 7 ounces. And my paint ratios for, canvas, paint to canvas size, I use 1 ounce of mixed paint for every 16 square inches. So you would take your canvas and multiply it side by side and then divide it by 16. And that's how I do mine. Let's get a little pink in here. This is going to be really rainbowy. Just using all kinds of fun, bright colors. Spring is coming up. So here we go. That should be good. I'm going to add a little of this green in here as well. I don't think I got any of that. Okay, there we go. So this is going to be kind of a traveling tree ring. And so I'm just going to start here and kind of just go like in a traveling tree ring around the circle. And the cool thing is doing things like this, it's always going to get you a bit of a different pattern. It's always going to be unique. I'm having fun trying all kinds of foam pieces and seeing the different things I can create with them. Also, I want to figure out something fun to do with this foam piece because as you can see, it's really killer. So it could either stay on the painting, kind of like when I do the foam balls that I got from the dollar store as well. That could probably just stay on the canvas. Or this could be glued onto something later, I guess. Or maybe even hung as like an ornament or something. Pretty cool. So I'm going to just gently pick it up and set that off to the side to dry as its own work of art. And then here we go. We'll tilt this. So you can see we got the cool lines. I didn't exactly pour it evenly, but that's okay. I can kind of even it out as I tilt. So let me know down in the comments as I'm tilting. On one of my recent videos, I asked you guys to tell me in the comments where you all were watching from, and I got some of the most fun, like it was just super fun. I got hundreds of responses of people watching from all over the world. So let's do that again. Let me know down in the comments where you're watching this video from. Even if this is your first video of mine you've ever watched or your 6,000th. It couldn't be your 6,000th because I don't have that many videos up, but I do have quite a few. So let me know down in the comments where you're watching from. And there we go. I think this is pretty epic. I'm going to go ahead and let this sit for a little while. I always like to do that to see if any cells pop up or anything really moves around, which sometimes happen. And then we'll come back in for our close-up. Okay, we're back. This actually really doesn't seem to be shifting too much. So let's go ahead and do our close-up. Starting in the lower right-hand corner, I'm very happy with this mix of very bright colors. Upper right-hand corner, over to the upper left-hand corner, and this purple that I made in here is actually a mixture of the Arteza Metallic Hot Pink with a little bit of the Artist Loft Flow Acrylics Blue. So it kind of gave it this really pretty shimmery purple. Very rainbow painting. Oh, and here, I'll show you guys this. So this is super cool too. I would also like to know in the comments if you guys have any suggestions on what to do with this thing, because it's so friggin' cool. I'll show you the one my niece did as well. Here's the one my niece poured over. It's all dry. So super cool. If you guys have any project ideas or any uses that you can think of for these. Also thought it could actually make a really cute photo frame was another idea I had. So put a photo in the middle here and then just attach a little hanger. Can you imagine how cute that would be? And I could even put a magnet on the back and put it on the fridge. Anyways, I've had a few thoughts on it. So let me know down in the comments if you have thoughts, and let me know what you thought of this project. I think it's really fun, bright, pretty, and I will talk to you all next time.